Welcome to Kuber Kushagra AI. We are actively developing an AI system designed to assist with stock trading decisions in the share market. While we are currently in an experimental phase, we are refining our engine and are committed to transparency, documenting and sharing the outcomes of this AI system. It is important to exercise caution when considering these transactions and conduct a thorough research of your own before following our actions. Please note that the stock market is inherently volatile and losses can occur unpredictably. Therefore, making informed decisions is paramount. This video is for education purposes only. So last few sessions we have seen that the stock market is moving downwards, and there is some volatility as well, primarily because of the Fed rates by U.S. government and um, then Europe, and plus in India we have the elections coming up. So I don't think the stock market will move upwards anytime soon. It will continue to move sideways, and that's why we have not given any buy recommendations of late. But today we have a buy idea of PVR Inox. Now, this is a long-term buy. So in the past, it has given around 18% of returns. And what we are seeing now here is that PY Inox has crossed the lower Bollinger Band and is steadily rising upwards. It's not a short-term buy, and it may not give profits immediately, but then given the market condition, this might be a good idea. Recently, we have seen that PVR Inox actually ha had some mixed reactions due to subdued box office and upcoming elections and the T20 World Cup. However, what we have also seen is the stock price is rising very, very steadily. If you look at the RSI, again, it is towards the lower value, so it definitely has potential to move upwards. Right now, the stock is trading at 1426 rupees or close to 1427, and the target price would be 1692 in a matter of about 45 days. But given the market conditions, it may be slower than that. Let's look at some of the other stock ideas that we had shared earlier. So India Mart was something we had shared. Essentially, it has not moved, but we'll continue to hold that. One of the good idea was Timken. It has risen by 5% since the recommendation or the idea was shared on 26th of March. And I think it will continue to rise. It is it's closing to its target value. So let's see how that goes. And Craftsman has essentially again not moved a lot. It had moved up, but then in the couple of trading days, it has moved down again. But let's continue to hold this one. Um, and lastly, Devyani, it had moved down, and if you remember in the last video, we said we'll continue to hold this, and it has started its movement back up again. So hopefully this will hit its target soon. That's all we have for today. And again, I want to emphasize that do not make decisions solely based on this video. Do your own research, and we'll keep you posted on how this AI engine performs. Thank you.